Oh, this one does not want to come up. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I like about cats. You never catch a walleye that does this. He ain't even big yet. Oh boy. Had to go buy me a new net. Them rubber ones that the hooks don't get caught in. Easy, baby. Oh baby, oh baby, easy. Easy, baby. There you go, folks. That's only probably an 8-pound fish. 7-pound fish bites like a 27-pounder. This current, they got so much power, it's unbelievable. He's a little bit big. Most people would keep them to eat. I do not. If it was the only one I caught all day, I probably would. The bite wasn't going good, just like little ones. I don't like little ones, I don't like big ones. Except for catching. And I like them.